Transforming habits, the journey of changing one's ways. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: changing one's ways. This expression is rich in meaning and is often used in both personal development contexts and in storytelling. Let's explore what it means, why it's important, and how you can use it in your conversations. Changing one's ways refers to the process of altering one's behavior, habits, or attitudes significantly. It implies a conscious decision to make a positive change in how one acts or thinks. This phrase is often used when someone decides to improve themselves for the better, such as breaking a bad habit, adopting a healthier lifestyle, or becoming more considerate and kind to others. People decide to change their ways for various reasons. It could be due to personal realization, where an individual recognizes the negative impact of their actions on themselves or others. Sometimes, it's triggered by external factors like advice from friends, family, or life-changing events that act as a wake-up call. The motivation behind this change is crucial because it often determines the commitment and success of the person in transforming their life. To make it clearer, let's look at some examples. 1. A smoker deciding to quit smoking after understanding the health risks involved. 2. A person known for their temper working on becoming more patient and understanding. 3. Someone who procrastinates taking steps to become more organized and timely. These examples show how changing one's ways can cover a wide range of behaviors and attitudes. You can use changing one's ways in several contexts. For example, when giving advice, if you want to improve your health, you might consider changing your ways and eating healthier. In storytelling, the main character realized the error of their actions and decided it was time to change their ways. In personal reflection, I've been reflecting on my habits lately and think it's time for me to change my ways. Changing one's ways is a powerful phrase that speaks to the heart of personal transformation and growth. Whether it's in literature, daily conversation, or within our personal journeys, understanding and applying this concept can lead to significant improvements in our lives and the lives of those around us. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video inspires you to reflect on your own habits and perhaps consider changing your ways for the better. Remember, it's never too late to transform your life. See you in the next video.